how to download music in Lark Player. So if you want to download music in Lark Player, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Lark Player. Now after opening, you need to go and just simply select a song. Once you've selected, just simply go with the three dots which will be in the top right of that song. And here you will have all of these options right here. So let me tell you that this is just a music player. Downloading music or installing music from Lark Player is not possible. This is simply a player. This will detect any audio or music file in your device, and it will reflect in this particular section. So you might be thinking how you're going to get the music. Simple. You can download from YouTube or Spotify or any other source. And once you download the music on your device, you will find those music right here. You will have the songs, the playlist, folders, and everything. So here you will have the songs that you have downloaded on your device, but you won't be able to download from Lark Player. It's just a music player. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.